Did you know that over 70% of industrial communication failures are caused by wiring issues, signal noise, or misconfigurations? If you're working with Profibus, even a small fault in the network can lead to unexpected downtime, costing businesses millions in lost productivity. Even a minor problem in a Profibus network can disrupt an entire production line. So how can you ensure your Profibus network runs smoothly? The answer lies in the Profibus Analyzer, a powerful diagnostic tool that helps engineers detect, analyze, and troubleshoot communication issues before they cause failure. Stay with me till the end as we break down how this tool works, how it diagnoses Profibus networks, and how you can use it to keep your industrial systems running smoothly. Before we dive into the analyzer, let's quickly understand what Profibus is. Profibus, Process Field Bus, is an industrial communication protocol used in manufacturing plants, automation systems, and process industries. It connects PLCs, sensors, actuators, and field devices, ensuring smooth and real-time data exchange using RS-485 transmission protocol. But what happens when this communication breaks down? That's where the Profibus Analyzer comes in. A Profibus Analyzer is like a doctor for your industrial network. It connects directly to the Profibus DP or PA network and provides real-time diagnostics. Here's what it can do. Live traffic monitoring, captures telegrams, data packets, between devices to check communication status. Signal quality analysis, measures voltage levels, noise, and reflections to detect bad cables or terminations. Error detection, finds issues like CRC errors, telegram retries, jitter, and device failures. Oscilloscope functionality, visualizes waveform signals to identify electromagnetic interference, EMI, or bad shielding. Think of it as an X-ray machine for your network. It reveals hidden problems instantly. Let's see how engineers use a Profibus Analyzer to diagnose a faulty network. Step 1. Connecting the analyzer. Plug the device into the Profibus network and start capturing data. Step 2. Checking bus health. The analyzer reports signal strength, device status, and telegram errors. Step 3. Identifying the fault. If a device is failing or responding slowly, the tool pinpoints the exact cause, be it a bad cable, incorrect termination, or power issue. Real example. Imagine a factory where a conveyor system stops intermittently. The Profibus Analyzer shows high retry telegrams and noise levels. The issue? A nearby motor causing electromagnetic interference. With this insight, engineers shielded the cables, and the problem was solved. As you can see, a Profibus Analyzer is an essential tool for industrial maintenance teams. It helps you identify communication failures before they cause downtime, diagnose issues quickly and accurately, improve network reliability and efficiency, save time and reduce costly breakdowns. So, if you work with Profibus systems, investing in a Profibus Analyzer can save you headaches and keep your factory running at peak performance. Did you find this video helpful? If so, hit that like button, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe for more industrial automation insights. Have you ever faced a Profibus issue? Drop your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you tackled it. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos on automation and troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.